Hello friend, is your iPhone 13 struggling to hold a charge? When battery capacity drops below 80%, typically after 500 charge cycles, you'll notice performance issues. First thing first, open the bottom screws using an appropriate screwdriver. Apply heat to the front screen to all corners as shown in the video. Make sure to use a temperature that you're able to touch the screen. Hold the device according to your comfort position and use some glue softener as shown in the video. With the help of a blade and plastic card, start pulling out the LCD screen from all edges. If the phone has never been opened before, then it will be a little more struggle and patience. Do not lose patience. Keep trying. Once you are able to pull from one side, then it gets easier. You can always use more heat and methyl alcohol to pull up the screen. At this point, please carefully open the LCD screen towards the left, which should reveal 3 screws securing the LCD flex to the metal cover. Kindly remove these screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Subsequently, address the top 3 screws, consisting of 2 Phillips screws and 1 small screw. After removing these, please take off the metal plates and begin by disconnecting the battery connector, followed by the LCD and top sensor flex connectors. Heat the back a little and then try to get the sticky stuff out from under the battery. If that doesn't work, use a tool and some rubbing alcohol to pry the battery up, like in the video. After the old battery is out, use tweezers to clean up any leftover sticky stuff on the frame. New batteries usually have tape already, but if yours doesn't, use some like the one in the video. First, connect the battery to the motherboard, then try to adjust the battery. Once the battery is adjusted, unplug the connection until the LCD connections. Repeat the process and connect the top and bottom LCD connections. After testing, put the metal covers and screws in with the help of the video. Adjust the screen inside the frame and do not forget to put the bottom screws. Feel free to leave any comments. I would be happy to answer. And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for support and more videos.